Hello, this is Keith Wisner with Mars Embassy. Welcome to the unboxing of the Starlink backpack. Yes, they do sell a backpack. I just received mine today. We're outside of Tequila Sunset in the Gravity Park here on South Padre Island. And here in the trunk is the box that the Starlink backpack came in. It's a very large box. It's a good case so far. Inside the box we have the case itself protected in plastic, like so much today, these days. Let's throw plastic everywhere we can. So we pull this out of the box, and don't worry, I put it, boxed it up. This is the backpack here, nice strap on here, a handle on the top and the side for it. Does have padding on the back of the backpack. Inside it you got a little protective clamshell for everything with a protector between things, a couple little silk type bags, I guess, for the cables, because nothing else would fit in those little bags. We first put the Starlink router in the box, and it has space there for the power cable down near the bottom. And that little section there is a good spot for the cable itself. I was just test fitting the stand here. It's a snug fit. I'm not sure how it's going to hold up over time, but we will see. So for me, this is the way I'm boxing mine up. I have just a cable disconnected from both the dish and the router and curled up here. And I have the router in there with the power cable, and I put the stand in there, power cable at the bottom. And then I have enough space there near the cable to fit my inverter for power. So we have the inverter there. I was going to try there, but here seems to be a better spot. Won't be in the way. And then you just kind of flip the little protector over, and then you take the dish and you slide the mounting rail through the opening in the protector, and it pretty much fits flush on there. And then you can close up the case, and it has a very nice zipper all the way around. Looks like a strong zipper, could be watertight, I'm not sure on that. I haven't read the directions or anything about that. And as you can see, the straps on here are very nice. The handle there. First I want to see if it would fit in the front. I tried flipping it over both ways. This is the only way it really seemed to fit, but it was snug and kind of pushed up on the front a little bit, so I wasn't too happy about that. So it's not something I would put in the front, but it fits perfectly in the sub-trunk, but doesn't leave room for anything else, which is sad to note. Wearing it is not too uncomfortable. Sorry about the weight, I need to go on a diet. It is a firm backpack. It does have paddings on it, so it is somewhat comfortable. It is a little bulky, and it seems to be balanced just right. I'm not sure, I haven't done any hiking. This is the top handle on it, great for carrying and moving it around. And then we have a handle on the side as well. Great for carrying it this way if you like, if it's more comfortable. This makes moving the dish around a lot easier when not in use. These are the back straps on the back of the backpack. Well, this concludes my quick little video on the Starlink backpack. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a blessed day.